Let's talk about choose function. This function chooses a value from a list of values. So for example, I say is equal to choose and select the second value from A and B, right? Choose A and B. So this will give me E, right? So if I say is equal to choose first value from this range, answer will be error. It's saying spell, but this I don't need to spell. So is equal to choose first value from, if I refer to individual cells, then this will work. So choose works with specific cells, not ranges, and it will give you result from a specific location. For example, instead of fixing this to 1, I refer this to, let's say, G1, and if I change value of G1, my result will change, right?